Dinner recipes. Black 1. Black bean and corn quesadillas. Ingredients: 8 large flour tortillas, 1 can black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 cup frozen corn thawed, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, a half cup diced black olives, a quarter cup diced red onion, a quarter cup chopped fresh cilantro, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, a half teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, olive oil for cooking, salsa, sour cream, and guacamole for serving optional. Instructions: 1. In a large bowl, mix together the black beans, corn, cheese, black olives, red onion, cilantro, cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. 2. Lay out 4 tortillas on a flat surface and divide the bean and corn mixture evenly on top of each tortilla. 3. Top with the remaining tortillas and press down gently to seal. 4. Heat a large skillet over medium heat and add a drizzle of olive oil. 5. Carefully place the quesadillas in the skillet and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until golden brown and crispy. 6. Remove from the skillet and let cool for a few minutes before cutting into wedges. 7. Serve with salsa, sour cream, and guacamole, if desired. 2. Blackened salmon with roasted vegetables. Ingredients for salmon fillets: 1 tablespoon blackening seasoning, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 bell peppers, sliced, 1 red onion, sliced, 1 zucchini, sliced, 1 yellow squash, sliced, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, salt and pepper to taste, lemon wedges for serving. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees F. 2. Season the salmon fillets with blackening seasoning, salt, and pepper. 3. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat and add the olive oil. 4. Add the salmon fillets to the skillet and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until blackened and cooked through. 5. While the salmon is cooking, place the sliced bell peppers, red onion, zucchini, yellow squash, and cherry tomatoes on a baking sheet. 6. Drizzle with olive oil, salt, and pepper. 7. Roast in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. 8. Serve the blackened salmon with the roasted vegetables and lemon wedges on the side. 3. Black bean and quinoa stuffed peppers. Ingredients for bell peppers: 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 can black beans, drained and rinsed, 1 cup corn kernels, a half cup diced tomatoes, a half cup diced red onion, a quarter cup chopped fresh cilantro, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon chili powder, a half teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, salsa, sour cream, and avocado for serving optional. Instructions: 1. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F. 2. Cut off the tops of the bell peppers and remove the seeds and membranes. 3. In a large bowl, mix together the quinoa, black beans, corn, tomatoes, red onion, cilantro, cumin, chili powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. 4. Spoon the mixture into the bell peppers and place them in a baking dish. 5. Top with shredded cheese. 6. Bake in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the peppers are tender and the cheese is melted and bubbly.